In the last 2 days, the gold has found a strength from this area of resistance 5100.24 to return back down to 40944.38, and it has gone outside of the small range area that has been stuck for a few days. And we can see yesterday in the afternoon the price has formed a strong bearish candle that has reached the area of demand zone around 4944.38. This is just a sign that small strength has been captured on the market by the bears who has pushed the price down, and we can see currently the price has reversed above this area of support, and it is currently again in between this area of resistance and this area of support. On the daily time frame, this is a strong bearish candle that has closed below this area of support, indicating further decline in the value, but we can see the price has retraced and it is currently still open, the daily candle, which means it is not very clear what will happen here until we see the current day closing. Today is a Friday, which means there is also in the afternoon potentially market movements that will also trigger some kind of a different movement based on the technical analysis, because in the afternoon the traders will log their profits, and this week has not moved so strongly in the last 2 days, which means there is a position for the traders that have entered into market, and it is not very volatile in the last 2 days. So this means also I'm not expecting pretty large movements today based on this one, what I can see, but we will see how the day will close. Currently there is more strength from the bears pushing the price down, and the price is currently at this area of support, which you could also potentially push the price even further, and the price has retraced slightly around this small area of resistance around 5005. We can see that here, and also the area of support right here, which could also put a pressure as a resistance for the price, not allowing the price to return up. So in this moment I'm still open to see the price moving up and down, waiting for the price to make a bullish or bearish breakouts below this area of support or above this area of resistance. On the 4-hour time frame, this is still open to see where the price will move, but on the daily time frame the price has formed a bearish breakout below this area of support, so this is just indicating potentially move down. Now for the Friday, it is the best day to stay out of the market, and this is something that I am planning because it's not very clear because of the strong bearish candle that has closed below this area of support, and it is retracing back up, which means potentially the price could return back up because of the bullish sentiment in the last several days. But let's see how the price will close the day Friday. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.